Hello and welcome back, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk around, startup, and drive video for you on one kick-ass 2005 Dodge Ram SRT-10 Viper pickup. Man, I tell you what, I don't think the color gets any better on these trucks. I absolutely love this silver color. Absolutely gorgeous truck. This truck is probably as nice as you're gonna find one of these. It's got 12,500 miles on it. Tastefully modified, has Borla headers on it, full Borla exhaust. It has been lowered. It's got brand new rubber on it. Custom touchscreen stereo with Apple CarPlay, backup camera, anti-theft system, tinted windows. What a gorgeous truck. This truck was purchased from a buddy of mine. He purchased the truck from the original owner, sold it to a gentleman in Florida, had the truck for a few years, and then recently sold it back to him. So I purchased it from him. So the truck's had very, very good care. And yes, I do have the rear spoiler for the truck. I just don't have it on there. Whoever buys the truck, you want it on there, I'll put it on. If you want it in the back seat, I'll put it in the back seat. Gorgeous interior, power seats. Just one beautiful truck. I don't think they come, like I say, I don't think they come any nicer, any cleaner. You see these trucks, you just don't see them with this kind of miles and in this shape. I drove this truck, you see I got a plate on it. I drove this truck home the other night, drove it to my son's baseball game, took the kids for a cruise in it. They absolutely love the truck. This thing's got plenty of power, very fun to drive. And like I say, it's tastefully modified. I mean, it's just a gorgeous pickup. Infinity speakers. This thing's got one heck of a sound system. It's got 12,722 miles on it now. I had 12,500 and something on it when I got it. I put a couple hundred miles on it. Sony touchscreen radio. Interior is in excellent shape. Got a bed mat in the bed. Yeah, you might see a little bit of water left over. I just washed the truck. That's something about me here at Kinion Classics. I do it all, everybody. I mean, I'm not afraid. I get in there, I do the buying, I help do the selling, I do the videos, I do the marketing. I'll wash them, I'll clean them, I'll detail them. I'm just kind of one of them entrepreneurs that just does whatever it takes. There's the Borla headers. Outside of the truck's very clean. I don't see any nicks, dings, scrapes, scratches. Well, I should take it back. I got one little chip right here that I seen when I was washing it. It's got a front camera, it's got a backup camera. Rims are in beautiful shape. I'd say probably one of the nicest ones I've seen. 05 SRT-10 Viper pickup. Underneath this truck's beautiful as well. Very, very well cared for truck. regular cab Viper truck here a while back, and I really enjoyed driving that truck as well. I probably put, I don't know, 300 miles on that one too. Sold it, got this one. This one runs a lot harder than that stick shift one ran. Everybody says the stick shifts are more fun to drive. Well, maybe, but I don't know. This one runs pretty damn well. I just like these. They're so quiet inside. They drive great. Plenty of power. Got an aftermarket oil temp. Oh, I guess it ain't aftermarket. It's a factory oil temp gauge. I don't think the other truck had that. It does have the stereo controls in it, and they are hooked up. They do work. They're on the back of the steering wheel here. The volume on one side and your seek tune buttons on the other side. And the CarPlay works great. It's hooked up to my phone right now. Just tell whoever, the two previous owners who had it, but the two previous owners that had it took excellent care of this truck. The only thing I may have to do to this truck is I may end up having to put a new battery in it, because it might have the original. Well, they probably don't have the original one in it, but it may be a little older battery, because once in a while you let it sit and the battery kind of loses its charge a little bit. Say a gorgeous pickup. Kinion Classics, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. I will have this truck pictured and on my website today. It is Saturday. I am working. I guess you'd say I'm a workaholic. Whether people think that's a good thing or bad thing, a good trait, bad trait, but that's me. I'm a workaholic. She'll get right with it. If you want to do a smoky burnout, it'll do a smoky burnout. Just one beautiful pickup. Kinion Classics, again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. Really appreciate everyone watching. Have a great Saturday, everyone.